Okay, this is the next update. It's a quick one, but important. I got 4 more of the threaded rods in, and it makes it a lot easier to work on everything on the railroad. This one here, and this one over here. So underneath there's a little bit extra so that I can adjust these up and down. Let's just zoom out for you. And I got a lot of the wires tucked up. I've got 3 big ones left, right here and right here. But let's just show you. That's what it looks like without that wiring mess. So I'm almost ready to put fascia on, which I'm pretty excited about. I got the LEDs hot glued all the way around for the strip that's up there. So this whole scene, the skyboards were off. I vacuumed, re-ran wires, got everything kind of tucked up the best that I can. I'm gonna have to put a cap over that and paint it the sky color. And then there's kind of a hoodoo or scene at Green River that I want to put in here, which will be the next thing I'm working on out of building it out of foam. So just wanted to show you that. I'm really happy with how things are coming. I had to move those cooling towers so that I could contort myself to get in there, but got all this wiring tied up, and I'm just pooped, so I'm gonna go take these. These will be the last ones to do later. I needed to pick up some more peachy paint, so I got the secret warm beige and warm white, whatever the, I don't know how paint could be warm, but whatever. And I got the track all cleaned on the back side. I put down some marker where the elevated section goes. I ran a hole there for the turnout. And eventually this skyboard will get cut down when I get my risers. But for now, I took the temporary ones off in the last video. So because I have this here, I can deal with this and get this out of the way so you can see the nice details and all that, and working my way around. But I worked like a little crazy person tonight and got everything looking the way that I like. So I just want to kind of give you a glance, and that's why I do these videos, so that I can see. But you see how clean the layout is now. I scrubbed the walls as best I could with a magic eraser, and I've got 3 more pieces of tape and some LEDs to glue up, but they're all glued on the other side, so I don't have to go back in that corner anymore, because that sucks. So really like how this is coming together, and I love how the airport is really rural and there's all this empty space in between everything. So this is the Hermosa scene, and I'll need to pick up, let's just think here, not including there, 1, maybe 2, 3 for this whole side. And these are just shoved in there temporarily, so maybe 4 more threaded rods for the whole outside. The peninsula will be different. I have to redesign how that is going to be. I'm not sure, but of rounding these corners off so that I stop hitting them. This is the tightest aisle on my layout, and if this was better designed, then it would be better for guests and operations. So that'll come to that point at one point. So yeah, I think the threaded rods make a huge difference. At least they do for when you're sitting on the layout. I only have that one leg because all these are shelf brackets. I'll be putting a shelf bracket in that corner, and that leg will disappear. And we'll keep working on better benchwork floating design. So, okay, have a good one. It was just a quick one. Talk to you then.